Think about the life I lived, a figure made of a clay, and think about the things I lost and what I gave away. And when I'm in a certain mood, I search the halls and look. When I found these magic words, magic words. Throw it away, throw it away. Give your love, live your life each and every day, and keep your hand wide open. Let love shine through, 'cause you can never lose a thing if it belongs to you. There's a hand to rock the cradle and a hand to make a stand, with a gentle kind of motion as it moves across the land. And the hands outstretched and open, gifts of love it brings. So keep your hand wide open if you're needing anything. Each and every day, keep your hand wide open, let the sun shine through, 'cause you can never lose a thing if it belongs to you. Can never ever lose a thing if it belongs to you. You can never never lose a thing if it belongs to